So now we are going to see the how another option to create a dynamic chart using a control screen. Okay, there we create a dynamically with the list drop down, and also we using a index match. Here we can also use the index match with the, just you can see how this using this control spin. If I select the data for 2010, that's showing for the 2010 is here 24, 27, 49,000, 56, 38. If I choose 9, you can see 20, 39 as per this data. And also another thing you can notice here, if I change 2010 here, the data is 2010. Also it is a changing 2010 to 11, 12. So this is a dynamic chart, because whenever you create other charts using a simple method, there is a this you can't change as per the year wise or as per the which type of element you want to add. So these types of chart is the dynamic charts. So let's start from start. Just delete this all and this one. Now first thing, we have to add this in the developer tab. There is a, just create this list. Okay, so the list will be equals to, I want this one here as courses, then again I want this 2009 to, so just equals to, and using the relative referencing that copied up to here. There are one more, and same for this courses. You need to just need to drag this one. Now here we need to create the okay, no need to add in this one, because as per the when we change this year, that will change this data. But let's start with the do the index match using formula for tab. Select your A3 to L8 array for, then do the for match for the this courses. Okay, so D12, where is D12? It means for the D11 for the year. Okay, okay, and then select for the this year the drop for the year A3 to L3, comma exact match, then close the bracket. Just a second. Then after closing a bracket, match another for the courses, for this courses. Okay, so C12, then comma, this is for A3 through L. Just a minute, we can change this one. Okay, for the courses we fix it out A3 to A8, and then for the year we can choose this D10. Okay, D10 to for this year for this E3 through L. Okay, and then for the exact match, close it. Why this error is showing B? Why this coming is from B3? That's I need still there is a value error. Okay, here I didn't put a match value for a. Yeah, now you can see for 2009 is a 20,986, and if I drag for this one, you can see as it is that all values are showing here as per the year wise. So I need to change here. I need to add now here a button. So go in a developer tab. If you do not have this developer tab, just go in a file section. In a file there is a have option. Go in a option and then click on the custom ribbon. Okay, and there they have the developer key. Just click on that and click to add and okay. Okay, so this is the procedure for adding the developer key. So there we have a insert tab, insert option. Go to the insert. There we have a simple button, and here we need a like a spin button because we want to control that spin from up to down. Okay, if you click here and just drag it. Okay, now here for to adding this to this year to this control spin, just right click on that and just go to the format the control because we need to format that controlling and to modify that. So here what is the current value? Now I have current value 2009. Now minimum value is what? Because in this chart we have minimum value is a 2009, and what is the maximum value? Maximum year is a 2019, and incremental change because I want incrementing with the 1 year. Okay, so it's you can see it's 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is only incrementing with the 1. Okay, and you want which cell you want to control, because I want this cell, so I choose and go control. Now you can see the difference after I change. Let's wait for now you can see 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. So you can see how easy is after clicking a one click there is a changing the whole data as per the year. So now what is the next step? You just need to add chart. So go to the column chart. Now we're done with the all process. Just we need to mention the title here. So this is a product sale by year. Okay, but I want as per the year I want to see here. How can I add that one? So let's create one. Okay, equals to in double quotation, always remember add with the double quotation sale by year. Okay, and then let's suppose because I need to close now, and which year you want to as per you want to change for this. Okay, so then use and then click on the which year you want and click enter. Okay, whenever I change this you can see the change in the 2015, 2016 and 2017 as per the control spin is changing the year, this also. So how can I add now here? So for that, remember, just click on this. Don't double click on that. I am not in that text part or not in editing part. Okay, I am outside this. Just click on that text box. Okay, no need to go inside or anything. You just need to clear that outside a box and go to the formula box equals to which data you want, which line you want to add there. Just click on this one and hit enter. Now you can see whenever I change in this one, 18 to 19, then 18, 16, 17, 15, 14, how dynamically changing the data using a list validation, index match, and a control spin. That's it for this session. Thank you.